How to fix the problem where your TikTok app is not opening. So welcome back to another video, everyone. If you have a problem opening TikTok on your Android, then follow this step. If your app crashes when you're opening or it hangs continuously, then first of all, close the app completely. Now go to the recents and click on close all. After you close it, reopen it and see if this works. If it still doesn't work, then go to the settings and search for apps and scroll down until you find TikTok, or you can just search in the search bar. Go to stories and click on clear cache. When you click on clear cache, it will fix some bugs and unnecessary data that may prevent from opening the TikTok properly. So now this should solve your problem. Try reopening TikTok again. If it still doesn't work, then go to Play Store and try reinstalling the app again. This should solve the problem. So these steps will resolve your issue, and if they did, then leave a comment and I'll see you in the next video.